Yo guys, this is cold water, freezing water. What's up guys, welcome back to another beautiful day here at the Hilton. It's Christmas season, still Christmas season guys, and we are on a little vacation. We haven't been feeling so great for the last few days, so we weren't doing much vlogs. But yeah guys, we're at the Hilton and it's the first time we've been back at the Hilton since they did their refurbishing, you know, so we have a few stuff to check out. So yeah, we're gonna have breakfast now and we're gonna check out the few new additions that the Hilton made to this property. Hey mama, what's up?
Tired.
Hmm?
I'm tired.
Tired. Wow. Hey buddy. What's that? Is that an apple? Apple.
Ready?
It's ready. A is for apple. Apple. But what is good now? Not what is strong, but yeah. Oh.
Here's a mess Amiekes made this morning.
Yeah. Oh.
Come here. Amiekes made such a mess.
When I was walking out, I heard him by the elevator. Hello. So when I walk around, he's a man and his wife around there.
Guys, this is
hello.
so beautiful.
So yeah, guys, yeah, this is a new coffee shop. They have everything. They love Christmas setup. Okay, yeah, let's spend time down here. So yeah, guys, so we thinking to get some like a coffee and one. Coffee? Easy breakfast this morning. I mean, what do you want for breakfast? So there's a lineup, guys. So we're just waiting in line until the lineup kind of cool down. I mean, what you doing, buddy? Checking out the decor?
Extra sweetener. The you want almond milk? One of them almond milk, please. What about cookies? And can I get one beef patty and two? And then 1 chicken. Sam, what else do you want? What else do you want? And I want one of this.
Plan was to eat down by the cafe, but Amiek would not stay still. Amiek just keep running all over the place, so we couldn't stay down there. So we brought him to the room where we can contain him, and then we'll go out after.
Yeah, if it's not the pool where he can just go and just do whatever, he can't. Especially the coffee shop, we were trying to work at the coffee shop, but then I mean, this hotel is a family hotel, right? But, okay. You did your food? Hot? Yummy? Blow on it, yes. The fact that he came with...
Guys, Amiek have so much energy, man. Got the Christmas tree bling behind him doing it.
I love the Christmas tree, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. You know Mrs. Burke is the one that decorated these. She's the one that went and did all the shopping.
Who?
Mrs. Burke did all the
shopping.
Christmas shopping.
So we're gonna hang out here for a bit, and then downstairs Eva and her siblings are working out. They're at the gym now downstairs working out. I couldn't bother to work out. I don't have no energy for that right now.
Tomorrow.
Guys. Cookie? Cookie? That's a big cookie, buddy. That's a big cookie. Cookie? Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Hi. Hi. Cookie. Bye.
Going to the pool. Somebody's clearly excited.
Guys, you guys come get your boy, please. Come get your boys. Look up, guys. Let me show you both of these girls together.
We hot girl in today. Hot girls. Yeah. Hey,
Wrong way.
who's the faster one? He wants to race you going down. So me, let's go pool. Let's go swimming. He just enjoys playing like catch me. That's it.
Guys, we are by our cabana now. Can you see? Mr. and Mrs. Powell. A Powell.
How are you gonna get
A
out?
Powell. So yeah, guys, this is where we're hanging out for the day. About to jump in the pool with Ami.
What's happening over there?
OMG.
How did you end?
Ami, what are you doing? So yeah, guys, we're hanging out here for the day. About to take Amiekes in the pool. His favorite place to be.
Go. Yeah. It's your turn to dance. Yeah. Go. Yeah.
Yo guys, this is cold water, freezing water.
Little baby. Eva, how do you feel about this game? Becky? So it's girls against boys. Are you okay?
Auntie.
Yes. Auntie? Is it auntie? Boo boo? You have a boo boo? Boo boo. Boo boo. Amiek has a boo boo. Wait. Say God, Daddy. Eva, you're not tired. I think they need him on the team right now. How do you miss that? Huh? How did you miss that? How did you miss that? Look at how big you are. I'm dead. I'm so dead. Oh gosh. Yeah.
Guys, we're playing basketball. As you can see, playing basketball, guys, enjoying the day. And we're gonna end it with the basketball, guys. So remember to like and subscribe. Amiek buck him toe, guys. Amiek buck him toe, so him have to go up. So yeah, guys, see you guys tomorrow in the next vlog.